Hey there, I'm Surya from Geek for the Week YouTube channel. In this video, we will be doing the unboxing of Dragonwar Storm gaming keyboard, which I bought from Flipkart around 1200 something. Now let's start unboxing. I'm not actually a professional unboxer, as you can see. I'm having problem opening the flip or what do you want to say. I opened it. The first thing we get it, I think, we got the mouse. The mouse is totally awesome, and here you get the small mouse, not much bigger, not much smaller, a compact mouse, and this looks awesome. And you keep it in a setup. As I said, I'm not a professional unboxer. You can see what I'm doing with the cables. I can't even take out the cable. Now I took out the cable. Let's actually this has two extra buttons at left side. I don't know what it is. Then check it and we'll show you. Let's keep the mouse aside and let's see what we get the next. I think the keyboard. What's this, man? This is a CD. I think this is a CD for the setup of the two side buttons in the mouse. As you can see, these side buttons. Actually, I don't even know what it is. I should see the video. Let's take out the keyboard. Yeah. The most important thing is the keyboard. The keyboard is totally amazing. I'll try to break it. If it doesn't break, then the quality is totally awesome, as you can see. But this kind of USB cable I'm seeing for the first time. I think you are also seeing for the first time if you are not seeing any unboxings of this keyboard. This is awesome, dude. But the only thing is, this is too lendier. Let's keep this aside. Hey, what's that? I think I got something inside the box. These are some replaceable keys which you can replace if you damage any of your keyboard keys. But I don't think you would break it, as it's too soft and it's hard. There's nothing in the box. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you're new to my channel and if you're new hearing my voice, tap on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Like the video and share.